Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adjusting the text size on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Press the digital crown to open the App menu. Then tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Scroll down Settings and tap Display and Brightness. Tap Text Size. You can make the text larger by tapping the AA icon on the right. You can make the text smaller by tapping the AA icon on the left. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.